Recording in.
Hi, everybody. So I'm quickly going to do a recording of a celebrity outreach. So maybe you know of an influencer, a celebrity, somebody in a high profile position, somebody that's got access to a bunch of people. It could be a pastor, it could be a Stockfell, it could be a organizer, it could be a school, it could be whatever, somebody that has direct access to a group of people. I've got somebody that I'm working with that's got direct access to about 10,000 people. Okay. Everybody knows people like that. Maybe you don't, but maybe people in your team knows people like that. Trust me, they do. I want to tell you a quick story. Now, this was a couple of years ago, long before Ananta X. I was at a presentation one time, and there was this little child. He was probably 8 years, 9 years old, playing this game. And it was kind of annoying because we're in the presentation. But anyway, long story short, eventually I found out this little guy had over 150,000 followers tracking him on his game. It was incredible. Anyway, so when it comes to celebrity now, please, this is not generic stuff. This is all original, safe, and compliant work. So it's to reach out to a celebrity, it's a private, independent partnership because there's some nice pictures. So there's a couple of options. So if I want to reach out to somebody, here's a subtle and a professional one. It's going to say, hey, I hope you're well. Now, obviously, you have to be following them. I've been following your journey, the way you've built a personal brand. I'm involved in something that's focused and long-term value, protection and future positioning, not promotion or endorsements. I'd really appreciate a short, informal conversation to explore whether it could add value to your future as well. No pressure, just a discussion. Second option, a little bit more emotional. Hey, I hope this finds you well. I'm working with individuals who've already built influence and are now thinking about what comes next. Sustainability, protection, and long-term positioning beyond the spotlight. I'd love to have a private conversation to share an idea, to get your thoughts. No selling, just value and perspective. Let me know if you'd be open to a brief chat. Number three is a little bit more direct. Hey, I'm reaching out because I believe your influence could benefit from something designed around long-term stability and generational thinking, not short-term campaigns. If you're open to a quiet private conversation about future positioning, I'd appreciate the opportunity. No pressure, just a conversation. So you can choose one of those or your own thing, doesn't matter. This is nice, professional, non-threatening. Now, the document that they will be getting is the next. So we're going to quickly talk about the reality that saying their careers is affected by markets, algorithms, health, personal perception, industry shifts, and external crises. This means celebrity status is powerful, but it's not permanent. Next thing we're going to talk about what this is. It is non-exclusive, long-term income building structure, fully supported private wealth and benefit membership club. It is not empowerment, brand ownership, endorsement, MLM pressure, or public brand dilution. The next thing is why celebrities fits perfect, because they've got followers, trust, database, and what Ananta X has already. We got the system, compliance, infrastructure, training, presentations, automation benefits, and a long-term model. Number four is about the self-operating system. This means they join as a member. Ananta X does the work. We do the presentations, so they simply refer the people. That's all they do. WhatsApp, onboarding, member support, we got that, back office training. Obviously, when the new back office is there, I'll do all of those videos for us. Trainings, the app is coming, AutoGold, all of that. It's done for them. Now, the key hook is the AutoGold accumulation. Every member benefits from gold accumulation. We're going to tell them about the income illustration. This is not, this is what it is. If they refer 100 people, they're earning 10,000 Rand a month. If they refer 330,000, 550,000, if they refer 1,000 members, people, they're earning over 100,000 Rand a month. That's pretty cool. So the income is theirs. They do with it whatever they want. Help it to, for this, whatever it's their income. Then we're going to talk about ownership, tracking, and protection. Each celebrity receives a referral link. Optional, there's a custom keyword or campaign identifier that we can identify for them, and then a back-end tracking tied directly to them. What every member who joins via their link code campaign is permanently allocated to them. It's theirs. They are a member in your team. So if you've got 5 influencers and they do 1,000 in each team, you've got 5,000 people in your team. You are going to be a pretty happy chappy. Promise you that. So the allocation is transparent, audible, and protected by contract. So the legal independent contractor status, celebrities are independent participants. There's no contracts. There's no alleen mandaat, white label, all that kind of crap. Doesn't work. Never, ever. There's no employee status, no obligation to promote. They don't have to if they don't want to. It would be advised if they do. Anyway, there's no exclusivity clauses. So referral marketing agreement. Now this covers referral ownership tracking mechanism. So we can give them, if they want it, it's actually in their back office already, but we can track it. So we can give them, at the end of the month, we can give them a full report saying, this is what's happening, this is who joined, this is where they joined. So we can give them all of that. Then regulatory protection. And Antex operate within compliance. There's no financial advice, no promises, and the marketing guidelines is there to protect them. Brand safety. Celebrities may promote, test, share, and use the stories, obviously, whatever they want. They may also stop at any time, like any member, pause if they want to, or resume if they have to. Now, when it comes to crisis proofing and legacy thinking, this model helps celebrities. This is the most important one. Celebrities have a lifespan. They are not famous always. There's always something new, something better, whatever. That's the way it is. People that we used to know as, the top actors, today are not the top actors anymore. They've been outlived, changed over, outgrown by the new talent. That's just the way it is. So this model builds a secondary income stream, reduces dependency on gigs, algorithms, and sponsorships, creates a long-term asset-based foundation, and protects family and lifestyle during uncertain times. They have the database. They have 100,000 followers. 1,000 people join through their links. They're earning 100,000 Rand a month, which means they can do more of what they love to do because they have the backup of this. Now, it's not a trend, it's infrastructure. So closing statement, you already have influence. Anantex gives you an influence structure, protection, and longevity without demanding your time, image, or control. They simply do what they do. Say, hey, I got into this thing, blah, blah, blah. So there's scripts we can help them with if they want to. Say, hey, I'm this and this and this. I love this, blah, blah, blah. They send out a link and 2,000 people join. They're earning 200,000 Rand a month. Because if they don't do it, and I'm going to say this publicly, somebody else will. So the next step is a private talk to, if they want a NDA, which means we are not allowed to say that they are part of an Antex, we'll sign it. We do care, but that's their prerogative. If they want that, we'll do that. No problem, because they have influence. Custom link and then optional, a soft launch strategy. What does that mean? If they decide to do this and they want their own landing page, we'll build it for them. So they have a website. It goes to a separate a website link. It goes to a separate website, their own. There's some information. They click on the link. There's some videos. They can join on the links, and they're into the system. So that is so this was what we will go through with them. So for those that's got influencers and they need some help, you can get hold of me if you want to. I will gladly talk to them with you on your behalf. I'll gladly do that. So I'll make this available. I'll send it out, and we're going to have some fun. Anyway, let me stop this and we'll close the Zoom.